Getting a "can't reach this page" error in Windows 10? It's usually caused by network settings, DNS issues, or browser problems. Let's fix it step by step. First, right-click on Windows Start. And then click on Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Then click on Status. From there, open Network and Sharing Center. Next, click on Ethernet 0 or your active network. Then select Properties. In the list, find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and double-click on it. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Make sure to check the box that says Validate Settings upon exit. Finally, click OK. And then click Close, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.